Good afternoon to all. I'm audible? I'm audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have already told yesterday कि ये क्लास होगी आज, तो फिर भी इतने कम लोग हो. So today is your revision class only. So almost syllabus is completed. Only one chapter, one model is left. That is the aerial survey. But you all are मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो अभी प्रेजेंट हो और बाकी जो क्लास नहीं कंटिन्यू कर रहे हो, कोई भी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हो क्वेश्चन की, तो बस तुम लोग का जो भी टेस्ट होता है दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव बेसिस, वो तुम लोग बस मार्क कर लेते हो. बट नेक्स्ट मंथ में मे बी तुम लोग का यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम होगा, तो यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम तुम लोग की ऑफलाइन ही होगी, ऑनलाइन इस बार नहीं होगी. सो प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है न्यूमेरिकल का. सो थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन एंड मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन पोर्शन ऑलरेडी finished, but practice is not done. So I'm just trying to solve some questions, some numerical from aerial survey, photogrammetry, and also trigonometrical survey. That is also in your syllabus. क्या क्या था हमारे सिलेबस में? दैट इज ट्रायंगुलेशन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एरियल फोटोग्रामेट्री, एरियल सर्वे और फोटोग्रामेट्री, ऑल्सो एरर एंड मेजरमेंट. याद है? सिलेबस भी याद है सभी को? सो टू मॉडल इज proper calculative, that is trigonometrical survey and aerial photogrammetry, that is aerial surveying or photogrammetry. Both are calculative part, mathematical, and triangulation, field survey, triangulation and remote sensing, GPS and GIS is fully theoretical part. So today we solve some numerical from aerial survey and trigonometrical survey. Both chapter is very important for your university exam also and also for competitive exam. So write a question, very simple question. Start from a simple question. Start from a simple question of aerial survey. So question is very simple based on a scale of photograph. Question is, in a map, points are plotted at a scale of 1:15500. The length of highway on the map is 150 mm. Length of map is 150 mm. So if photo distance of the highway is 215 mm, so length on photo, that is 215 mm. So what is the scale of photograph? What is the scale of photograph? Question is clear to everyone? Okay, I repeat again. Question is, in a map, points are plotted at a scale of 1:15500. The length of highway on the map is 150 mm. If photo distance of highway is 215 mm, then what is the scale of photograph? What is the scale of photograph? So try this question. This is very simple based on a scale of map and a scale of photograph. So what is the formula for a scale of photograph and a scale of map? Is there any relation between these two scales? Sonu Vikas. Sonu, my voice is audible, na Sonu? So how can we solve this question? So based on very simple formula, that is a scale of map and a scale of photograph. So first is scale of map. Scale of map equal to map distance divided by ground distance. Map distance divided by ground distance. And what is the scale of photograph? So scale of photograph equal to map distance divided by, sorry, a scale of photograph is what? Photo distance divided by ground distance. Divided by ground distance. So put the value of map length and photo length in the formula. What is it? So by the formula of a scale of map and a scale of photograph, we can also write here divided by scale of photograph equal to map of distance divided by photo distance. So a scale of photograph equal to 215 divided by 150 into 1y, that is the scale of map is given 1 by 15500. So calculate this value. Calculate this value. Scale of photograph, how much?
मैम 9.24 into 10⁻⁻5.
Change it in fraction.
मैम 43 by 4,65,000.
Repeat again. Repeat again.
मैम 43 by
40.
43 by फ्रैक्शन में चाहिए ना मैम?
Yes. Yes.
43 by 4,65,000.
4,65,000. This one. Convert into 1:2 in this form. 1:2 something. Convert it.
मैम
जहां भी ये स्केल का यूज होता है ना सर्वे में, तो हम लोग हमेशा आइदर 100 सेंटीमीटर, 10 सेंटीमीटर, किलोमीटर, इस तरह से आइदर 1/10, 1/1000, 1/1 लाख, 1/10,000, इस तरह से ही प्रेजेंट करते हैं। ठीक है, सो कन्वर्ट दिस वैल्यू इज 1/fraction. हाउ मच? प्लीज कैलकुलेट एवरीवन। कैल्सी तो यूज कर सकते हो, सॉल्यूशन तो चलो नहीं आता है, कैल्सी भी यूज करने नहीं आ रहा है जो इतना टाइम लगा रहे हो। सोनू कुमार गुप्ता, रश्मि सिंह, have you calculated? Rashmi Singh, are you here, Rashmi? So how
हेलो
much
मैम।
calculated?
मैम क्या बोल रहे थे मैम? उस
Yes.
टाइम आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ पा रहा था, समझ में नहीं पा रहा था क्या बोल रहे थे आप।
मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए, सॉल्व इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ 1/something, इन फ्रैक्शन एज 1/something। दिस
मैम
फॉर्म में
43
हमें इसका सॉल्यूशन चाहिए।
मैम इसका फ्रैक्शन में फॉर्म आया था 43 by 4,65,000।
यस यस, बट मुझे 1/something में आंसर चाहिए, सो कैलकुलेट इन दिस फॉर्म। ऑलवेज स्केल को जो रिप्रेजेंट करते
स्केल
हैं
में चेंज
दैट
करना
इज
क्या
इन दिस
सेंटीमीटर
फॉर्म।
में?
यस
मैम इसको क्या कन्वर्ट करना है कि 10 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 mm करके इससे कन्वर्ट करना है क्या?
यस यस, converted 1 in something, so that is in form of
मैम
ratio,
ये डाटा तो
1
मैम ये
in
डाटा
something.
किसमें है मैम? कौन सा यूनिट क्या है मैम डाटा का?
This is a scale, scale का कोई यूनिट नहीं होता है।
ओके मैम समझ गया।
क्या कैलकुलेट किया हुआ है? स्केल ऑफ फोटोग्राफ। सो स्केल को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है?
100 सेंटीमीटर को एक सेंटीमीटर हम लोग एज्यूम करते हैं मैम।
तो 100 सेंटीमीटर को अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर यूज एज्यूम करेंगे, तो व्हाट इज द स्केल ऑफ 100 सेंटीमीटर टू 1 सेंटीमीटर? व्हाट इज द स्केल? स्केल कैलकुलेट करेंगे। अगर एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस हमारे पास 100 सेंटीमीटर है एंड आई रिप्रेजेंट ऑन द मैप इज 1 मीटर, 100 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर, देन हाउ मच द स्केल? How we calculate the scale or a scale of the map?
आवाज क्लियर नहीं।
So if map distance is 1 centimeter and actual distance is 100 centimeter, then how much the scale? What is the scale? What is
1
the
by
scale?
1 by 100 मैम।
1 by 100 exactly। ठीक है, 1:100। सो इसी फॉर्म में हमें करना है प्रीवियस कैलकुलेशन का स्केल कैलकुलेट करना, स्केल ऑफ फोटोग्राफ। एंड इज देयर एनी यूनिट ऑफ स्केल? इज देयर एनी यूनिट ऑफ स्केल? कोई यूनिट है क्या स्केल का?
नो मैम।
नो मैम। नहीं होता। क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ था, आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन। कुछ बच्चे अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं, तो मैं सिर्फ मुझे बस सॉल्यूशन बताओ। जो मेरा लास्ट एक्सप्रेशन आया था, दैट इज स्केल ऑफ फोटोग्राफ इज 215 डिवाइडेड बाय 150 इनटू 1/15500। दिस इज द स्केल ऑफ मैप, दिस इज द map distance, and this is the photo distance. So what is the scale of photograph? This is the equation of photograph. The scale of photograph. So calculate this in this form, 1:2 fraction part. How much? सिंपल कैलकुलेशन भी नहीं आ रहा है, कैलसी भी यूज करने नहीं आ रहा है। ओके, राइट अनदर क्वेश्चन और इसे कंटिन्यू करो, इसे सॉल्व करना है।
मैम
देखो,
पॉइंट
and
0009
write next question. Not in point, just
मैम
find this.
9.244।
Repeat again.
मैम 9.24 मैम।
9.2 9.24। मैं वो क्या इस तरह कैलकुलेट करें? डिस्क्रिप्शन में चाहिए समथिंग,
मैम आपका आवाज कट रहा है मैम।
1 in something।
हेलो मैम।
So write down next question. Question is a line PQ measure 12 centimeter on photograph taken with a camera of focal length 22.5 centimeter. The same line measured 4 centimeter on a map drawn to a scale of 1 in 35,000, and if average altitude is 300 meter, average altitude is 300 meter, then what is the flying height of the aircraft? So PQ line is measured 12 centimeter on photograph with a camera of focal length 22.5 centimeter, and the same line measured 4 centimeter on map. 4 centimeter on map. So map length is 4 centimeter and a scale of map is given, that is 1 by 35,000. So if average altitude is 300 meter, its average is 300 meter, then what is the flying height? That is the capital H. Flying height. What is the flying height of aircraft? What is the flying height of aircraft? So again, this question is based on a scale of map and a scale of photograph. There is a formula for photo scale, that is S equal to FH minus H. A scale of photograph is F divided by H minus H. All information is given in this formula. So put the value and calculate the scale of map, then calculate actual flight height, that is the capital H. So everyone calculate the scale of photograph, that is the first step. Then calculate the height of flight, that is the capital H. So first step is to write down the formula of photo scale and map scale. Here map scale is given 1:35,000. Please answer, anyone. How we can proceed this question? So first step is the photo scale. To calculate photo scale, map scale is given, and also map length and photo length of line PQ is also given. So how we calculate? That is a relation that is also used in previous question, is photo scale divided by map scale equal to photo distance of line PQ divided by map distance. So photo distance and map distance is given, also map scale is given. So from this equation we can find photo scale. So here write down photo scale, that is represented by S, divided by map scale is given 1 by 35,000 equal to photo distance of line PQ, that is 12, and map distance of line PQ is also given, that is 20. Map distance is given how much? Map distance is 4 centimeter. Okay, so by solving this we can find the photo scale. So photo scale is equal to 3 by 35,000, correct? Then we can find the flight height. So photo scale equal to F divided by H minus H average.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, S is S by 1 by 35,000 है ना मैम? उसके बाद मैम 2 by 4 मैम 2 मैम 2 गिव है ना क्वेश्चन में?
2, where is the 2?
2 by
2
4
नहीं है,
मैम.
12 है। क्वेश्चन मैंने बोला तो सुनाई नहीं दिया. Here is the 12, not 2. 12 by 4. 12 is the what? Photograph length. Length of line PQ on photograph. And what is the 4? 4 is the length of PQ line on map. This is value 3. By solving it, so here 3 by 35,000 divided by F. F is the focal length of lens is given, that is 22.5 centimeter, divided by H. H is to find, and H average is also given, that is 300 meter. So solve it and find the value of h. Solve this equation and find the value of h. Hope this equation is clearly visible. 3 by 35,000 equal to 22.5 divided by h minus 300. Find h. H is the flight height. That is the total height where the camera is placed. So find this height. Everyone please simplify this equation and find the value of h.
Ma'am, 787800.
Not correct. Any others value? And what is the unit of 787880? What is the unit? Is there any unit of h? Value is also incorrect and please tell me unit. Unit क्या है h का? Unit of h क्या होगा? Is there unit or unitless? Is there unit or unitless? Please answer me value of h and also unit of h. किसी से सॉल्व होगा या नहीं, या बस ऐसे ही अपना म्यूट करके कनेक्ट करके बैठ गए हो?
हो गया मैम।
कितना आ रहा है आंसर?
787800 मैम।
Not correct. Take again. And what
Ma'am,
is the unit of 7870?
Ma'am, 2925 meter.
सेंटीमीटर।
What is the unit? Meter or centimeter?
Ma'am, meter.
Meter. And okay, कोई और भी बता रहे थे? कितना आ रहा है
Yes,
वैल्यू? Any other value? सत्यनारायण
Ma'am,
चौधरी।
29.
सत्यनारायण चौधरी टीवी ऑफ कर लो। That is correct answer is 2925 meter. And we can also convert in kilometer, that is 2.95 kilometer. Correct? So unit of h is meter. Right, next question also based on a scale of photograph. Listen carefully the question and write down. Question is a 2280 meter line lying at an elevation of 425 meter measures 11.5 centimeter on a vertical photograph. So the focal length of the camera used is 18.5 centimeter. Find the scale of photograph for a terrain having an elevation of 1050 meter. So in question given, a 2280 meter line lying at an elevation of 425 meter. So a line is at height 425 meter. This is the elevation and this is measure 11.5 centimeter on a vertical photograph. So this is the length on photograph. This is